Hotung. This is actually quite an interesting company. A lot of people don't know about this company, but this one actually gives you access to a lot of Taiwanese semicon or high-tech companies. So for those who are interested in like want to get access to those Taiwanese tech companies, okay, you can actually invest through this vehicle. So this is like an investment holding company. It's like a fund. Okay, this one is like a fund. This is a fund investing in a Taiwanese company. So these are the companies, the different type of companies they are actually invested in. So as you can see, they are breakdown in terms of investment. They are into pharma, semicon, electronics, medical devices. So basically bio and tech. Okay, so they are like I don't know what I call them, funds, venture cap, or I don't know what I call it nowadays. I'm actually so confused already. Angel fund or whatever. So basically they are funds. 21.8 is in startup. So 23.9 is actually those companies going for expansion, and 54.3% of the money is actually invested for matured companies. So they are fund managers basically. So requires significant cash infusion to help in advertising, marketing of products. Okay, company has complete market research, has a business plan in place, has a prototype products. Expansion, has already started selling its product or services, need additional capital. And mature, business has reached maturity. Okay, I'm not sure what's wrong with my internet today. Pardon me, apologize for that. So the business has reached maturity, requires financing to support acquisition, merger, IPO. So Hotung can exit the company at this stage, sell off its shares and earn a return. Okay, again, apologize. I believe somebody has forgotten to unmute yourself. Don't mind, please mute yourself. Sorry about it. Okay, so as I mentioned, they are predominantly in Taiwan, almost 70% in Taiwan. So for those who actually love Taiwanese companies, this is the company which allow you to access to the Taiwanese tech area. Very good run 2020 for obvious reasons. Tech has do very well. So I leave you to read all the numbers yourself. So long story short, they actually make quite a good money in 2020. In management outlook, management of Hotung, ongoing review of group's portfolio risk management, widen scope. Okay, diversification and geographic exposure, investment in Israel. They're actually going to Israel. Remain resilient, growth sector, 5G, cloud computing, green technology, healthcare. Okay, economic downturn resulting from COVID is expected to continue 2021. Though mitigated by route of vaccine, tasks remain focused on pursuing sustainable performance, opportunity, and portfolio management. Okay, so this is what the management actually said. Okay, so these are some of the companies that they actually invest in. So of course, again, like I said, you actually get this video, you can actually read the details. I can just give you an overview of what type of company they're in. As you can see here, precision semiconductor equipment. Okay, they actually do semiconductor equipment. Technology die attach pick and place technology. Fabless semiconductor design company. So as you can see, all the chip companies. Okay, of course, I know there's some semiconductor expert here. Please help us to comment on whether all these are good companies. Okay, this one is to plastic injection mold. This company is actually into IT, data center, 5G. Okay, like I said, they're also into some bio companies, medical membrane filtration, then medical device company. Okay, so yep. So growth potential, investment in strong sectors, incubating pure blood and iColor to name a few. Pure blood medical filtration company. For blood transfusion, genetic tests, as the blood component market is growing rapidly. Okay, and what this does is cloud service and AI solutions. So they are basically into very advanced companies. So quite interesting. Okay, 16 AGM, VP Hotung answered that the 5G, AI, cybersecurity, key momentum in fast-growing digital economy, big data, cloud-based application, strong demand. So Hotung foresee increased need for AI will be investing direction. If you ask me, I also agree with that. Okay, 6 tests. So all this is actually very good pass. Okay. Okay, because this is like a finance company, so we don't really do the DCF. But yeah, the numbers are actually still quite interesting. If you talk about PB 0.6, I think it's actually quite interesting.